Welcome. In front of me is a CUBOT Max 3, and today I will show you how you can enable the power saving mode on this phone. So to get started, pull down your notification panel, extend the list, and somewhere in here hopefully you can find the power saving toggle. So let's see if I can find mine. Oh, there we go. Third page. It's right over here. Now I think these are the default locations of all the toggles, so hopefully you can find yours in the same exact place. Would be much simpler. But if you can't, just look throughout the pages. Hopefully you can find it at one of them. Once you locate it, you can just simply tap on it. It will bring up a message letting you know that power saving mode will change things like the dark mode, or basically turns it on, turns off or restricts background activities, some visual effects, and other features like Hey Google. So obviously if some of those bother you, then you might have a little bit of a problem with power saving mode. And additionally, there's probably one more thing that the power saving mode does, which isn't necessarily specified here per se, which is it will disconnect from Wi-Fi and mobile data when the device is not being used. Anyway, I'm gonna select turn on. So as you can see, there is our dark mode. Now going back to that mobile data and Wi-Fi, meaning it usually turns it on when the device is in sleep mode, and it goes into sleep mode after a couple minutes of just being locked and not used. Now when you unlock it again, it would automatically reconnect to whatever network it needs to, and then gain all the data that was missing. So any kind of messages that you might have been missing from like Facebook, Messenger, WhatsApp, whatever the application would be, it would be delivered right now when you wake up the device. And additionally, it gets usually delivered sometimes like in some intervals, so it automatically, I believe, connects every like certain amount of time just so it can check if it's missing something. But anyway, that is how you can enable your power saving mode. And once you're done with it and you want to disable it, simply find the toggle once more and tap on it. There we go. Oh, a little bit of a slow device. There we go. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.